An ultraviolet wave is traveling in a vacuum. What is the frequency and the nature of the wave? Ultraviolet wave, it's an electromagnetic wave, and definitely it's the transversal wave. And using formula that speed of wave is equal to wavelength times frequency. Frequency becomes speed of wave divided by the wavelength, and speed of any electromagnetic wave in a vacuum, it's 3 times 10 to the power of 8, and typical wavelengths for ultraviolet, it's about 400 nanometers. It's also given in a data booklet, so it's 400 times 10 to negative 9 or 4 times 10 to negative 7, and without any calculations you can see that it's about 10 to the power of plus 15, not negative 7. So definitely finally it's A, and that's all for this question.